Hello students, welcome to Engineers Academy. Now we are going to solve this particular problem which says that locate the centroid x bar of the shaded area and y bar of the shaded area. So we will solve these two problems in this one video. So for that we will consider a differential area or differential strip, and that differential strip is horizontal strip, let's say. And let's say that the width of this differential strip or area is x, and its height is dy, right? So let's say this is its height. This is small change in y. So now we can write that if you want to find the x bar, so x bar will be equal to, or we can say that x bar into area, or the total area, or we can say that x bar into dA integral is equal to x tilde times dA. So this is our equation, right? So this integration of dA is the total area. So we can replace this integration. We can say that area is the summation of the areas of all the differential strips from y equals to 0 until y equals to 4. So this is from 0 to 4. So we need to replace this by area. Once we know the total area, once we know this total blue area, we will use that area in this equation. So first of all, I will find this area. So I will write that area is equal to dA, and this is from 0 to 4. And we can write that dA is equal to this x times dy. So x times dy is the area of this small differential strip. And since we want to integrate this dA with respect to y, if I write it here, this is x dy, and since the integration is with respect to x, so we need to have this x in terms of y. So we are given that y is equal to x squared divided by 4. So from this we can write that x squared equals to 4y, and if we take the square root, then x is equal to 2y to the power 1 divided by 2. So now dA is equals to 2y to the power 1 divided by 2 dy. So now I need to put this dA in this equation. So area, that blue shaded area, is equal to 0 to 4, and this is 2y to the power 1 divided by 2 dy. So I can write this 2 outside of the integral since it's constant, and if we integrate this, this is 2, and when I integrate this, so this is 1 divided by 2 plus 1, so this is 3 divided by 2 divided by 3 divided by 2, and this is from 0 to 4. So we can write that this will become 2 into 2, 4 divided by 3, and if I put these limits, so that will be 4. We can write this as 4 divided by 3. Let me replace it here. So that is 4 divided by 3. And when I put these limits, so this will be 4 divided by 3, 4 to the power 3 divided by 2, and minus 0. So now this gives us 4 divided by 3, 4 divided by 3 into 4 to the power 3 divided by 2. This gives us 32 divided by 3. So 32 divided by 3, and if we divide 32 by 3, so that is 10.67. So area is equal to 10.67 meters square. This is meters square. So now we know that blue shaded area. So we can write that x bar and area is 10.67 into, and x tilde is the location of the centroid of this differential strip from the y-axis. So this is x tilde. So since the width of this differential strip is x, so x tilde will be, the centroid will be located at its geometric center, so that will be equal to x divided by 2 from the y-axis. So we can say that x tilde is x divided by 2 and dA is x dy. So we can write that this is x dy, and if I multiply this, so this will become x squared divided by 2 dy. So we can write that this is 1 divided by 2 x squared dy, and again this, since the integration is with respect to y, so the y limits are from 0 to 4. So we need to integrate this from 0 to 4, and this is from 0 to 4. Again, the integration is with respect to y, so we need to replace this x square. So we need to write x square as a function of y. So we can write that this is 1 divided by 2. This is from 0 to 4, and x square equals to 4y. So I will write this as 4y dy, and now I can write this 4 outside as well. So this is 4 divided by 2, or we can say that this is 2. So this is 2, and when we integrate this, so this will become y square divided by 2, and this is from 0 to 4, and this 2 will cancel out. So we will be left with 4 to the power 2 minus 0, so this is 16. So now we can find that x bar, so this is equal to x bar times 10.67. So if I divide it by 10.67, so this is 16 divided by 10.67, so x bar comes out to be 1.5 meters approximately. So if I divide 16 divided by 10.67, so it is approximately 1.5 meters. So this means that the centroid location of this shaded area from the x-axis is located at a distance of 1.5 meters. So now for y bar, we can write that y bar into that area is equal to, again this will be y tilde dA. So now y tilde is the location of the centroid of this differential strip from the x-axis. So this is y tilde. And as this differential strip is located at a distance of y from the x-axis, so this means that its centroid will also be located at a distance of y from that axis. So y tilde is equal to y. So we can write that this is, we can write that y tilde, or let me write it like this, this is y dA, and similarly we can write that y, and area is again 10.67, so I will write it as 10.67 meters square, and y and dA is x dy, or we can write in terms of y like this. So this is 2 times y to the power 1 divided by 2 dy. So this is dA. So we can write this 2 outside of the integration, and y to the power 1 into y to the power 1 divided by 2. So this will be 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is 3 divided by 2. So y to the power 3 divided by 2 dy. Now we can integrate this. Again, the integration is from 0 to 4. This is 2 y to the power 3 divided by 2 plus 1. So this will give us 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 divided by 5 divided by 2. So we can write it as 2 divided by 5, and 2 divided by 5 will give us 4 divided by 5. So this is 4 divided by 5, and this is from 0 to 4. So this is 4 divided by 5, and 4 to the power 5 divided by 2 minus 0. So this gives us 4 divided by 5 into 4 to the power 5 divided by 2. This gives us 128, or we can say it is 25.6. 25.6, and y bar into 10.67. So y bar equals to 25.6 divided by 10.67. So 25.6 divided by 10.67. This gives us 2.39 or approximately 2.40. So y bar is 2.40 meters. Now we can locate the centroid of this blue shaded area. So the x bar is located at a distance of 1.5 meters. So somewhere here we will have 1.5 meters, right? So on this vertical line, the centroid is located somewhere, and similarly the y bar is located at a distance of 2.40. So 2.40 will be, this will be 2. So 2.40 will be somewhere here. So the intersection of both of these lines will give us the location of the centroid of this shaded area. So the coordinates of these points are x bar and y bar, and x bar is 1.5 meters and y bar is 2.40 meters. So the centroid of this blue shaded area is located somewhere here. So this is the solution of this particular problem. I hope you people would have understood this problem solution. Kindly subscribe my channel for the solution of such more problems. Also like this video if it helps in your learning.